Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make unlimited columns on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open any document. After that click on layout tab. Now to make column, at first you have to select here all the text. Now here you can see columns option, then just click here, and here you can see three options 1, 2 and 3. That means from here you can make only 3 columns. If you want to make unlimited column, just click on more columns option. After that you can see this window, and here you can see number of columns option, and from here you can increase or decrease your number of columns. If you click on this arrow icon, then your column number will be increased. If I select 5 and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see the 5 column has been created successfully. If I click here again and then go to same settings, you can also change your width and spacing from here, and you can choose any size as you want. Then click on OK, and it's done. And that is how you can make unlimited columns on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.